Everyone, so today we are going to start with the second model of solving limits. So model 2 is of the form limit x tend to 0 of 1 minus cos ax by x to the power n. Okay, so this is equal to a to the power n upon n factorial if n is even, and it is equal to 0 if n is odd. This is a very important formula. Okay, so we will do a few questions on this, so please keep this in mind. So the first question for us is, I hope you can see this. Okay, so the first question for us is limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x by x to the power 4. Okay, so in these questions what we will do is we will convert it to this form. So in order to do that, what we have to do is we have to take tan x common. If we take tan x common, what we will get is 1 minus cos x, and here x to the power 4, what we will do is, since we know the limit x tends to 0, we will do tan x by x, and this part will become equal to 1 because limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1, and the remaining is x cube. As you can see, the power of x is odd, and we know if n is odd, then the value is 0. So the answer is 1 into 0, which is equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Okay, the next question for us is limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x divided by x square sin x. Okay, so what we will do is we will convert it into 1 minus cos x form. For that, what we have to do, same as previous question, we will take tan x common in the numerator. Okay, so what we will get, 1 minus cos x. Okay, and this will be divided by sin x, and we will separate the x square term so that this becomes a different part from this. Okay, so after this what we will do, limit x tends to 0, we know tan x by sin x is nothing but 1 by cos x. Okay, and this is nothing but even power of x, and the coefficient of x is 1, so we will get 1 by 2. So, and limit x tends to 0, cos 0 is 1, so the final answer is 1 by 2. Okay, the next question for us is limit x tends to 0 tan square x minus sin square x divided by x to the power 4. In this case, what we will do is we will take tan square x common. Limit x tends to 0 tan square x. So if we do that, what we will get, 1 minus cos square x. Okay, and we will divide x to the power 4 into two parts, x square and here also x square. Okay, after this what we will get is limit x tends to 0. Now tan square x by x square, limit x tends to 0 is nothing but 1 into limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos square x is nothing but sin square x by x square, and this is also equal to 1, so 1 into 1, our final answer is 1. Okay, the next question for us is limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos 3x divided by x into sin 2x. Okay, So to solve this question, what we have to do is we have to convert it into the standard form. So what we will do is 1 minus cos 3x divided by x. Okay, 1 minus cos 3x by x into 1 by sin 2x. Okay, this will be multiplied by x and divided by x. Why we are doing this, you will get to know shortly. The next step is simply limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 3x divided by x square, okay, into x by sin 2x. So that was the reason. So now you see this is even power of x and coefficient of x is 3. So what will be the answer? It is nothing but 3 square by 2 factorial into, since this is sin 2x by x, so you will get 1 by 2 here. Okay, so the answer is finally 9 upon 4. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, so the next question is limit x tends to 0 tan 2x minus sin 2x divided by x tan square x. To solve this question, what we have to do, we have to take tan 2x common. So we will take tan 2x common. So what we get is 1 minus cos 2x, and we will take x here and we will take here tan square x. Okay, why am I doing this? It is because of this step, limit x tends to 0. So since we have tan 2x by x, limit x tends to 0, we know the answer will be 2. And limit 1 minus cos 2x by x square, it is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x is nothing but, as you know, cos 2x is nothing but 2 sin square x minus 1. Okay, so this implies into 2 into sin square x into 2 sin square x by tan square x, because 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Okay, so after this we will get nothing but limit x tends to 0 to, the answer will be limit x tends to 0 4 into sin x square by x square into tan square x by x square. What did I do? I just multiplied and divided the denominator with x square. So this is also 1, this is also 1. So final answer is 4. Okay, so the final question for this model is limit x tends to 0 x into 3 to the power x minus x divided by 1 minus cos x. Okay, this is equal to limit x tends to 0, we take x common, 3 to the power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. Okay, what we will do here, we will multiply and divide by x. Why we are doing this? So that we can divide this term into 2 parts. So what we will get is x square by 1 minus cos x. Okay, this will be one part, and the next part will be 3 to the power x minus 1 by x. So if we solve this, limit x tends to 0, the value is 2, and if we solve this, the value is log 3 to the base e. So this is your answer. We can also write it as log 9 to the base e. Okay, so this is your answer. Now third model questions now we will do. Model 3. These are the 0 into infinity and infinity into 0 model. Okay, so let us do one example. Limit x tends to 1 x minus 1 into tan of pi x by 2. So as you can see, if you put x equal to 1, this is nothing but 0, and this will be tan pi by 2. So it is 0 into infinity model. So what we will do here is we will change it into 0 by 0 model. So how to do that? So we will keep x minus 1 in the numerator, but since tan is in the numerator, it can be written as cot in the denominator, cot pi x by 2. Okay, so now it is 0 by 0 form. So we can use L'Hopital's rule, limit x tends to 1. So we will get x minus 1. If we differentiate, we will get 1, and if we differentiate this, we will get minus cosec square pi x by 2, okay, multiplied by pi by 2. If we simplify this, we will get the answer as minus 2 by pi. Okay, so this is your final answer. The next model is infinity minus infinity model. So to solve this problem, what we have to do is we have to first take LCM, then multiply and divide by x in denominator, and then use L'Hopital. Okay, so let us do an example. First question, limit x tends to 0, 1 by x minus 1 by e to the power x minus 1. So how to solve this question? We will follow the same procedure. First we will take LCM. So we will get e to the power x minus 1 minus x by x into e to the power x minus 1. Okay, in the next step what we will do, we will multiply and divide by x in the denominator. E to the power x minus 1 minus x by x into e to the power x minus 1 into x divided by x. Okay, so after doing this, what we get is simply limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 minus x multiplied by x square into e to the power x minus 1, and we will have an x in the numerator. Okay, after this what we will do is we will expand it, x e to the power x minus x square divided by x square e to the power x minus x square. Okay, so if you see, this is nothing but this is nothing but 0 by 0 form, so we will use L'Hopital's rule. So after this what we will get is we will get x into e to the power x minus e to the power x plus e to the power x minus 1 minus 2x divided by x square into e to the power x plus e to the power x into 2x minus 2x. Okay, so if we solve this, okay, I'm really sorry guys, I made a mistake here. Okay, so in this step itself, you can see if I write this step again, so what we will get, e to the power x minus 1 minus x by x square into e to the power x minus 1 by x. So if you apply limit only on this part, you will get nothing but log of e, which is nothing but equal to 1. So our final expression is limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 minus x by x square. Okay, this is in 0 by 0 form, so we will use L'Hopital rule. Okay, so when we use L'Hopital rule, so what we get is e to the power x minus 1 by 2x. Okay, so the answer is 1 by 2. Okay, a very simple question. So we will do one more question before we move on to the next model. Okay, so the next question is limit x tends to 0, 1 by x minus 1 by tan x. Okay, so to solve this question, what we will do is we will take limit x tends to 0. First of all, we will take the LCM, tan x minus x by x into tan x. Okay, and then what we will do, we will multiply and divide by x in the denominator. Tan x minus x by x into tan x by x into x. Now as you can see, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. So what we have is limit x tends to 0, tan x minus x by x square. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 by 0 form. Okay, so we will apply L'Hospital's rule. Limit x tends to 0, tan x differentiation is sec square x, and here we will get 2x. Okay, so sec square x minus 1 is nothing but tan square x. Okay, so trigonometric relations you need to remember, tan square x, okay, divided by 2x. So here what we can do is limit x tends to 0, tan x by 2 into tan x by x. So this one is equal to 1. So what we will get, 0 into 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is your answer.